I will tell you the effectiveness of aloe vera in cultivation by using aloe vera to germinate cucumber seeds. Chop aloe vera, crush and soak cucumber seeds for 45 minutes before sowing. After 45 minutes of incubating cucumber seeds, we start sowing seeds in suitable nursery pots. After sowing seeds, leave the nursery pots in a cool place to help the seeds germinate quickly and healthily. I used a used industrial container, cut a section off the top, and punched drainage holes to keep the plant from getting waterlogged. For convenience in watering the plants, I used a plastic bottle and a towel attached at both ends to provide water for both plants. I don't know about you, but for me, organic fertilizer is always the first choice because it is rich in nutrients, non-toxic, helps loosen the soil, and has high antibacterial properties. The seeds have germinated after 7 days and are healthy. Now we can plant them. After planting, we water and pour water into the container. The absorbent towel will lead the water down to the base of the tree. The tree grows strong and produces many branches. To promote the growth of the tree, we need to take care of it. Help the tree to be strong from the beginning. I will plow the soil to loosen it, help the soil metabolize, and use organic pellets to fertilize the plants. We should compensate the soil for the tree, help the tree stand firmly, the roots have enough soil to grow, and to help the tree not be eroded, have long-term nutrition, I use rice husks spread evenly on top. The plant grows well. First, I will have to make a trellis for the cucumber plant to climb. I chose to use discarded scrap iron bars, bent into a trellis. We need to create a suitable trellis for the plant according to our wishes. During this time, the plant not only needs nutrients to grow, but also nutrients to nourish flowers and fruit. Since the cucumbers I grow have many fruits, each cucumber eye will have one fruit. To help plants absorb nutrients quickly, in addition to fertilizing with earthworm manure, I also use liquid organic fertilizer mixed with water to water the plants, helping the plants absorb nutrients immediately. To stimulate fruit set, prevent pests, and repel insects, I use 1 clove of onion mixed with water and spray evenly on the plant. In addition to letting the tree bear fruit on its own, I also use male flowers to pollinate female flowers to produce fruit, helping the tree achieve higher yields. After 35 days, the cucumbers should be covering the trellis. As you can see, they have produced many small fruits. At this point, the plant will focus on fruit development. I will remove any yellow and dead leaves at the base of the plant. We just need to fertilize and water the plants. It's amazing. After 2 months, the cucumbers have produced a lot of fruit, even in beautiful. Now, I can comfortably prepare delicious dishes every day. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.